Hello everybody, it's time to get the grill going for 2025. Start by uncovering it, of course. I have already cleaned the cover and treated it with a 303 protectant. This actually has not been used since the 100-degree October day several months back. Looks like we're about ready to go. It remains fairly clean inside. Here's what we're looking like. See if my battery's still good. Oh yeah. All cleaned up. Go ahead and switch out the battery on the igniter. Maybe. Amazon Basics did not leak. So that's what the replacement's going to be. Aha. See if it lights. Gas is on. There we go. Dry it off a little bit. And that appears to be working just fine. Go ahead and shut it off and let it cool down. That was satisfying. So once again, getting the 1990s patio kitchen grill up and running for 2025. Thank you for watching.